So guys, I was just sitting and scrolling through the reels yesterday. Then this one reel comes up with literally 2 million likes. And when I checked its views, my friend, it had already gotten 39 million views in just 2 days. And guys, all its reels had millions of views. When I searched on YouTube, I found this single channel doing the same thing. It had collected over 200,000 subscribers on its channel by uploading just 65. I'll explain that later in the video and its solution too. But before we go into that, let's discuss how to make such videos. For this, you need to search for ChatGPT on Chrome. Open the ChatGPT website. If it's your first time on the website, you'll need to sign in. Now you simply need to type out a prompt like this. Give me a bull and scorpion hybrid picture prompt and send it. The hi and you can see prompt has come up. And if you wish to generate a hybrid picture prompt of more animals, then where I have written bull and scorpion, okay. Now copy this prompt from here and start searching on Chrome. Open up the site of Leonardo AI first, and if you haven't signed in, then sign in here with your Gmail ID. After that, you will see an image creation option here. Click on it and paste your prompt here. Go to the icon with these settings. Go here to set the image size to a 16:9 ratio. Click on create and wait for a while. Your picture will be generated. And now you have to create another picture prompt from ChatGPT in which bull and scorpion are together separately. For this, you have to give another prompt to ChatGPT. Picture prompt in which a bull and a scorpion are facing each other, and again ChatGPT will give you a good picture prompt. Now, copy it from here, come back to Leonardo on AI and paste your prompt here, click on create again, and now you need to download the picture you like from here. Now you have to animate your hybrid picture. For that, you have to visit this website of Lumai. Don't worry, I have put the website's link in my description. If this is your first time opening this website, then sign in by clicking on continue with Google. After that, you will get two options here. The first one is to generate a video from text, and the second one is to generate a video. You must select the second one. Upload your image by clicking on this gallery icon. There you will be given an option to input a top prompt. Simply write add motion here, and below you will see a generate option. Simply click on it to start generating your video. To download, click the three dots menu. Download it from there. There's a watermark at the bottom. You can zoom in or blur it to remove the watermark. Then bring both images to KineMaster app first. Import the image with separate animals. Then import the one you converted to video. After that, add background music. I'll upload the music to my Telegram channel. Download it from there and trim your image to match the background music length. Add a transition. Now play your video to see how cool it looks. I'll explain why YouTube didn't monetize that channel. The reason behind the monetization issue is this guy didn't add anything unique to his videos. He just uploaded videos with similar images and background music which got him views and subscribers, but his channel wasn't monetized. Now I'll explain how to solve. You just need to add something unique to your videos, like using AI voice, for example. As you can see in the video, like if we combine a bull and a scorpion, how would they look? If we combine a bull and a scorpion, how would they appear? If you do this in all your videos, your channel will definitely be monetized. If you enjoyed this video even a little, please give it a like. Anyone who wants to be a successful YouTuber by 2025 can subscribe and join our little family. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Everyone will get a reply. That's all for today. See you in the next. Bye bye.